This mattress is finished. The owner said the springs have gone. So today we are going to cut it open. Because I've been building mattresses for over 15 years, and I'm willing to bet money, on camera, that the springs in here are perfectly fine. And what actually failed is the thing nobody asks about when they buy a spring bed. If you want the best spring mattress in South Africa, this teardown is the bit that actually decides it. There it is. Look at the coil system. Every spring intact, still bouncing back. Steel is steel. It outlasts everything around it. Now look at this. This is the foam that sat between the sleeper and the springs. It's supposed to be this thick. It's compressed to a third of that. Once this collapses, you feel every coil through the surface, the bed gets cold lumpy, and the springs take the blame. The springs didn't die. The foam on top of them did. Quick honest primer on the 2-spring system sold in South Africa. Bonnell. Hourglass coils wired into one connected lattice. The system works as a unit. Robust, uniform support, classic bounce, better price. Bonus almost nobody mentions, an open coil chamber breathes, which matters in summer. Pocket springs. Each coil sewn into its own fabric pocket, moving independently. The genuine advantage, motion isolation. Your partner rolls over, you don't feel it. You pay a premium for that. Neither is better. They're different tools. But both are ruined by the same thing. Cheap, low-density foam on top. Which brings us to the only question that matters. When you buy any spring mattress, ask, what is the density of the foam above the springs? You'll get one of two responses. A number in kilograms per cubic meter. Good sign. Or a blank look, and a pivot to, it's got a 20-year warranty on the springs. Which, as you now know from the teardown, is a warranty on the one component that wasn't going to fail anyway. Ours is called the hybrid. A Bonnell steel coil core under high-density foam comfort layers. The same published density standard as our foam mattresses, because that top layer is what actually determines lifespan. That is how we build the best spring mattress in South Africa we can stand behind. We also sent it for EN 1957 endurance testing. The European standard that mechanically simulates years of nightly use. So when we say it lasts, that's a test report, not a feeling. From our 4,999. 10-year written warranty. And the honest disclosure, because it matters. The hybrid is a Bonnell system, not a pocket spring mattress. If independently pocketed coils are specifically what you want, we don't manufacture one. Our website's pocket spring guide names specialists who do. I'd rather lose that sale than blur the definition. Free delivery anywhere in South Africa. 365-night home trial. So, when a spring mattress dies, autopsy the foam, not the steel. And when you buy one, interrogate what's above the coils. If you're shopping for the best spring mattress in South Africa, start with foam density, then the coil type. Full written guides, National Plus Gauteng, Cape Town and KZN, linked below. I'm Andries from Mr. Mattress. Sleep well.